In the bustling streets of New York City, 2024, Tom and Jerry found themselves in the heart of a high-tech metropolis. The skyscrapers towered above them, and the streets were filled with the hum of electric cars and the chatter of people immersed in augmented reality. It was a new era, but their rivalry was as timeless as ever. One sunny morning, Jerry the Mouse peeked out from his tiny hole in the wall of an ultra-modern apartment. He sniffed the air, catching the tantalizing aroma of cheese from the smart refrigerator. His eyes twinkled with excitement. Jerry knew that with the help of modern technology, getting to the cheese wouldn't be as easy as it used to be, but that only made it more thrilling. Tom the cat, lounging on a plush, futuristic sofa, noticed Jerry's antics. His eyes narrowed, and a mischievous grin spread across his face. This time, Tom had a secret weapon, a drone, custom-programmed to chase Jerry wherever he went. With the press of a button on his sleek wristband, Tom activated the drone, which buzzed to life with a soft hum. The chase began. Jerry darted out of his hole, sprinting across the sleek, polished floor. The drone zipped after him, guided by Tom's remote control. Jerry, quick on his feet, zigzagged through the apartment, dodging the drone's persistent pursuit. He leapt onto a countertop, using a spoon as a catapult to launch himself onto the chandelier. The drone, slightly confused, hovered around, trying to lock onto Jerry's location. Tom, frustrated but determined, increased the drone's speed. But Jerry, always one step ahead, swung from the chandelier and landed on a robotic vacuum cleaner. The vacuum whirred across the floor, carrying Jerry to safety, at least for the moment. In a daring move, Jerry steered the vacuum directly toward Tom. The cat's eyes widened in surprise as the vacuum sped toward him. In a flash, Tom leapt into the air, narrowly avoiding a collision, but the drone wasn't so lucky. It crashed into the vacuum, creating a small explosion of wires and sparks. As the smoke cleared, Jerry stood triumphantly on the edge of the counter, nibbling on a piece of cheese he had snatched during the chaos. Tom, covered in soot, sighed in defeat, but he couldn't help but chuckle at Jerry's cleverness. The chase was over, for now, but both knew that their timeless game of cat and mouse would continue, even in the futuristic world of 2024. For now, the city outside hummed on, unaware of the wild chase that had just unfolded within the walls of one apartment, and Tom and Jerry remained, as always, the best of frenemies.